Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut not showing templates. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're unable to see this Templates tab in CapCut, then there are some fixes you can try. The most common reason is that CapCut was installed through the Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store version often does not include templates. To fix this, open any internet browser and type CapCut in the address bar. Now, open the official CapCut website from the results. Once the website opens, click on Download for free and install the desktop version directly from CapCut's official website. After the installation is complete, open CapCut again and check if the Templates tab is now visible. If the templates are still missing, go back to the CapCut website and click on Try CapCut Online in the top right corner. Sign in using your CapCut account. After signing in, look at the left-hand menu and check if the Templates section appears there. In many cases, templates may not show on the desktop app, but will still be available in the web version. If neither the desktop version nor the online version shows templates, the issue is likely related to your country or region. Some CapCut templates are region-locked. In this case, you can try using a VPN, connect to a supported country, then reopen CapCut or refresh the CapCut online page and check again for the Templates tab. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix CapCut not showing templates. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.